This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by the law offices of Tunnell Raysor.
First comes the shock, then the confusion, and then the anger. It's this cycle of emotions that, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, happens every 13 minutes in the United States of America.
13 minutes. Isn't that incredible? Now, no matter how careful we are as we're drivers, we just can't predict the actions of those around us when they drive. So when accidents happen, what we need is a strong personal injury attorney who is our voice in court, right? Well, DelmarvaLife's James McDonald visited Tunnell Raysor to learn what steps you should take if you're ever in an accident and why it's not always best to solely rely on the police report.
Kelly Geloff didn't go into law school wanting to specialize in personal injury law, but early on, she says the pieces started falling into place.
I did not intend to become a personal injury attorney. I didn't go to law school specifically for it. However, when I was in law school, torts is a class that I ended up doing really well in. And at the time, I was clerking for a law firm outside of Philadelphia where we did medical malpractice defense work, where I learned a lot about the medical side of things and really enjoyed that part of it.
After graduation, she took a job at a small-town firm that needed a personal injury attorney.
When I was offered a job here at Tunnell Raysor, they had a need for a personal injury attorney to basically start the practice. And I thought, well, I love doing the medical side of things. Let's see how this goes, and we will give it a whirl. And here I am 29 years later at Tunnell Raysor and have a fabulous personal injury department.
So what's kept her going all this time? For Kelly, it's the people.
My clients, I really enjoy being their voice. I really enjoy helping people. I've been really lucky in having an amazing team around me, which really makes for a true family feeling of working as a family together.
Her approach is all about creating personal connections.
I try really hard to stay in touch with our clients and learn from them what it is that they have going on, what is stressing them out, what can we do to make their particular situation better, what information can we share with them to help them understand what is going on in their particular case.
That personal connection extends beyond the office.
We do live in small town USA, which I think is really conducive to my desire to be the voice of my clients and be there for them and hope to see them in the grocery store and become not just their advocate, but somebody that they feel like they can trust.
When accidents happen, Geloff says folks should act quickly and capture details while they still can.
It sounds like a cliche to take pictures, video. Well, we can now. Years ago, you didn't have the ability to do it so easily.
She says you shouldn't rely solely on the official report.
If there are witnesses there, try to take down their information, their name and their phone number, because you think that they are going to be there or be on the police report, because when the police do arrive, they will oftentimes interview people that are at the scene. But I have found in my 30 plus years of experience that the witnesses may need to go somewhere and leave before the police officer can get the information, or sometimes the information just does not make it to the police report.
It can often be a stressful time, but having Kelly by your side is a calming presence.
They may be in pain, they may be completely stressed out because of medical bills. They just don't know what the process is oftentimes. So having me as their voice allows them to tell me everything. I can filter it and provide the information in a coherent fashion to the insurance company.
She encourages folks to reach out for help.
When you're in an accident and you are thinking about getting an attorney, go ahead and make that call or shoot that email, whatever it may be, because most of us do not have you pay us an attorney fee unless we get you compensation. And we are going to make sure that you are properly represented, and we will fight very hard for you all the way through trial if that's necessary.
Continuing Tunnell Raysor's commitment to stand by their clients every step of the way.
It just all makes perfect sense, doesn't it? So if you or someone you know has been injured in an accident and you're looking for justice, visit Tunnell Raysor's website, schedule an initial consultation. We have all that information on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. All you have to do is click on what's happening today.
Yeah, and you never know. A little fender bender could cause some deep pain.
Yeah, no kidding.